Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things fragrance and things that smell amazing. If you are new here, my name is Shanee. Thank you so much for watching. Today guys, I want to share with you my review and first impression on Jackie Ania's new candle collection with PHERO-MOANS. So this is the Adore You Forever collection. So if you're interested in seeing my review or take on it, just keep on watching. So guys, like I was telling you, I was super excited to get my hands on Jackie Ania's new PHERO-MOANS Adore You Forever collection. If you are not familiar with Jackie Ania, she does makeup, YouTube, she has a candle collection. She is just an extraordinary person, black owned business. And she is great over on YouTube, so I suggest you go over. And if you don't know Jackie Ania, then like really, who are you? So go and look at her YouTube page, her Instagram, all of that. She is wonderful. I went ahead and purchased the minis of this collection. So if you aren't familiar with her candle collection, you can purchase them in mini form, or you can purchase them in just a regular, one form as well. So I love that it comes in this box. So this is the all 4 candles come in this particular box. They come just like this. I think that they smell great. As soon as you open it, you can smell them. The top of it says Adoration Activated, Adoration Activated, and then it has Jackie Ania's signature there. And then on the back, it just tells you a little bit about each one, but then also the minis are here. So the minis come in 0.25 ounces, and the whole set, so all 4 of these in a set, came at $48, or you can purchase them all separately in the larger containers for $35 each. So I just wanted to test them out because I had never bought this particular collection with her, so I just wanted the mini ones just to try them out. So I'm just gonna let you guys know I got these during Valentine's Day, I think the week before, so I've had a lot of time to burn them, smell them, so I can give you more of a review versus a first impression, but they're still just that as well. So you'll notice that some of these are burned more than others because those are the ones I like. So I'm gonna jump right into them. These are the names of them. So the 2 purple ones are kind of like a set in itself, and then the 2 pink ones can come in a set by themselves as well. So this one, you have Heartbreaker, you have Champagne Wasted, you have Pheromones, and then you have Sweet Spot. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into the notes, let you know, what time of day I would like to burn them, how they burn, and all of that. So let's go right into it. The first one that I have is Heartbreaker. So that one is this here, and as you can see, I have kind of burned a lot in it. I kind of just have like I burned it a lot because I really wanted to smell this one, because this was one I wasn't really too sure about. So I have the notes here for you. In Heartbreaker, you have strawberry, you have peach, jasmine, heliotrope, musk, vanilla, and sandalwood. Now, when I first smelled this one, I wasn't really too sure about it. I have that this one is a very sweet scent. So that's kind of what I noticed. I really get that peach straight off the bat. I don't get a fruity note, but I just kind of get a more sweeter note to it. The strawberry in it is the only thing that gives it that that fruitiness, but it's like a fruity sweet. It's not like candy. It's not like that at all. One thing I did know is that just smelling it from here, I wasn't really able to get the full effect of it. I actually had to burn it, and as you can see, even the darkness on it, I actually burned through this one a lot. One thing that I really got, I know that it doesn't have it in here, but I wrote down that this one reminded me of smelling like coconuts. Coconuts is not a note that is in this one, but I really smelled that when I burned it. So coconut was really the one that I kind of get. It kind of gives me a little bit of a suntan lotion smell to it, to be honest with you. So when just smelling it right here, it reminds me of like suntan lotion, being at the beach. But then as it burns, it gives you that fruity sweet smell to it. It kind of gives you a vacation vibe. So definitely Heartbreaker is really, really good. I want to say I burned this maybe about 2 or 3 days to get the full effect of it. But for me, I would definitely say this is vacation vibes, very fruity, very coconutty. Wouldn't say it's too much floral. I know it has heliotrope in it, but in this particular situation, I didn't get that at all. The next one I was really excited to burn was Champagne Wasted. This one was really good, guys. I was really obsessed, and I actually burned this one yesterday just so I could just have a, you know, more in-depth, you know, feeling for it to give you guys. So with the champagne wasted, you get pink champagne, strawberry, peach, magnolium, rose, heliotrope, and vanilla. So you're gonna kind of hear the heliotrope a lot, and then the peachiness and the, you know, fruitiness. That's kind of what I'm getting from the collection, because if you're just looking at the packaging of them and you know it's pink, it's purple, you're kind of getting that like Valentine's Day in love, fruity, floral, sweet, girly vibe. That's what I get from the packaging as well as the scents. So this one I really liked. I thought everything that I thought I would like, I kind of had an opposite feel, and everything I didn't know how I would feel, I actually enjoyed it. So some things I wrote down about Champagne Wasted: definitely a fruity rose, and that is one thing I actually liked about it, because when I first heard magnolium, I was like, I'm not really too sure about it, and then as soon as I smelled it, or as soon as I burned it, I was like, okay, this is it for me. This is really good, guys. It reminds me of a juicy Jolly Rancher, like strawberry with like a dash of peach, but that's it. This is really good, only because one, I like the smell of champagne, I like the taste of champagne. I'm a champagne girl. If you want to have, you know, whatever with me, you got to get champagne. I'm not really on the other stuff, so I'm a champagne girl automatically. And one thing I wrote down as well about this one, I don't really get the vanilla in it. In the base of it, even when I burned it, I didn't get vanilla, so I didn't really get a smoothness to it. I really just got the bubbliness of the champagne, the fruity notes, and then the rose as well. I would say, honestly, you don't have to burn it to get the essence of it. So that's one thing that I noticed as well with this one. As soon as you put it here, you can smell it. When you burn it, you get it always. But even if you don't want to burn it, this is one that you can just put around in the room, and just because of the scent and the throw of it, you don't even have to burn it if you don't. Or let's say you burn it for a little while and you put it out, you'll still have that smell within your room. So Champagne Wasted was definitely one that I would recommend within this collection. So I'm going to go to the next one. This is Pheromones. Pheromones is really good as well. It's a little bit more toned down. So with this one, you have the notes as well: pink champagne, citrus, strawberry, jasmine, apple, musk, and plum. So with this one kind of gives me that sexy, enticing scent, and I guess that's probably why the name is Pheromones as well. So with this one, you're kind of getting those bright fruits. You're getting more of that sexy plum and the musk. So that's definitely what I get in this one. Out of all of them, this is like, it starts out very citrusy. You kind of have that, you know, strawberry, you have the citrus notes, and then you have that bubbliness of champagne. But then once you start burning this, it definitely gives you that sexy plum and then that musk. So it definitely goes down to more deeper, smoother scent, versus the rest of them kind of give me like a tropical scent. But this one definitely, Pheromones, gives you that sexiness, and I could say honestly, you could put this one in your bedroom. The other ones I would say more of like a bathroom, like living room scent, kind of like vacations, get you in the mood. But this one right here is for nighttime, and it's definitely soothing and sexy. I definitely recommend this one. Like I kind of said, the other two are more on the sweet. This one is more on the sexy side. So if you're looking for something within this collection that's more sensual and sexy, I would definitely say Pheromones will give you that vibe. The last one we're going to go through is Sweet Spot. So this one to me, let me get the notes first. So the notes are orange, chocolate, gardenia, jasmine, coconut, and then the base note is musk. So this one kind of, if you know, when I was younger, my grandfather would take me to like this store, and they would have chocolate covered oranges, like the candies. I would eat those all the time because it kind of gave you that. I love chocolate. I'm a person who loves chocolate. I'm not really a candy person like I was back in the day, but this definitely gives you those chocolate covered oranges, like definitely up my alley all the way. So like it kind of gives me like that. It takes me back. It always makes me think of my childhood when I smell this, because I love those. That was kind of like a thing for me and my grandfather. This one is the most citrus out of all of the four. So I would say if you're a person that likes a citrus note, but then you like it to like kind of go down to a depthness of that musk, then you will like this as well. But it definitely gives you that smoothness of the chocolate and the musk. So I would say, you know, citrus, chocolate, musk is definitely this one. So it gives you that smoothness of it. I would say the citrus is definitely in the opening. As you can tell, like the opening of this one was the orange and the chocolate, but for some reason for me, I kind of get the chocolate throughout it versus the citrus is only, you know, when you initially light it. So out of all of them, I would definitely say Sweet Spot is the one that has the most citrus in it. So it is the most, you know, kind of airy, fresh. That would be Sweet Spot. Heartbreaker, in my opinion, is definitely more of the suntan, coconut, we're going on vacation, tropical vibes. That is definitely Heartbreaker. When you're looking at Champagne Wasted, guys, this is the fruity, this is the bubbly, this is like a sickening fruity tropical sweet scent, like, but I love Champagne Wasted. It's kind of getting me in the feel for, even though these look like vacation or like how can I say it, Valentine's Day vibes, I don't get these at all. I cannot wait to get a bigger size of Champagne Wasted. This is definitely tropical vacation, so it's like Heartbreaker. It kind of gets you in that bubbly mood to like enjoy your day. So I love Champagne Wasted. So that's your like fruity upbeat scent, and then your sexy one to end it all is going to be Pheromones. So in my opinion, this is just me, because you know, these are the scents that I like. I can definitely see myself purchasing a full I think the candle's about this big. I can see myself doing Champagne Wasted definitely, and Sweet Spot. Heartbreaker will have to come in the end for me. Pheromones will probably be, I can see myself getting it, but it's not like a run. I need it. Like the main two for me would be Champagne Wasted and Sweet Spot. I like that champagne that has that that sweet tropicalness to it, and then I like Sweet Spot because it has kind of that citrus note to it. Heartbreaker with the coconut suntan, it's like a okay, if someone were to gift it to me, I would definitely accept it, but I don't think it's something that I would right now go out and just purchase for you. Pheromones, definitely, if I wanted that sexiness candle that has a sweet note to it, of course I would do so. But I loved all of them. I wouldn't say there are any that I actually hate. The only one that I kind of had to burn a lot as far as to get the scent out of it was Heartbreaker, and I think that's because I initially smell suntan or coconut, like I keep saying. So for me, I had to burn that one the longest just to get it, you know, to where I could smell it or to engulf the room. The ones that I didn't have to burn as much were Champagne Wasted and Sweet Spot. Pheromones, I feel like I burned that one a little bit longer, only because I like the smoothness and the depthness of it, but that's not a bad thing at all. But the ones that you can just like burn it and then like within like 10 minutes it'll engulf the room, definitely Champagne Wasted and Sweet Spot. Those are the main two. So I would definitely say for me, I kind of liked one of each. So I liked Champagne Wasted and then Sweet Spot. Those were the best two out of mine. I do well, actually Jackie Ania does have a lot more candles, so definitely go online at forevermood.com. She has the ones that were like in her Christmas collection. She has the ones that are in her core collection. I'm assuming this is in her Valentine's Day collection, and then she has one that's like the brown collection as well. They're like all brown candles. I'm not sure what that collection is called, but that one is good as well. I have that one. So I am looking forward to getting more candles from Jackie Ania's Forever Mood, and then I'll review them on this channel as well, because we don't just talk about, you know, perfume here. We talk about everything that smells amazing, as you guys know. So if you have any candles from Forever Mood and you enjoyed them, or if you have this collection, let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below, because I want to see if I missed something, you know, or I didn't get, you know, how you guys describe the candles as well. If you have others from her particular collections, let me know, because I have a few as well. And if I'm missing one that you think I really need to get my hands on to review for you guys, let me know that as well. If you like the content I gave to you today, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy the vibe over here. You can follow me on Instagram as well, where we talk about all things that smell amazing over on the Style of Scents. And until the next video, guys, bye.